In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the proper function in Google Sheets to capitalize text automatically. If you've ever copied in names, titles, or addresses, and they look messy, maybe all caps or all lowercase, the proper function is a quick way to clean them up. It changes text so the first letter of each word is uppercase and the remaining letters are lowercase, perfect for standardizing entries like John Smith into John Smith. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can work directly with your data. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. A small tip here. It's often helpful to choose an empty cell, ideally in a new column, so you preserve your original data and can compare the before and after side by side. Now type the formula exactly like this. Proper. That's an equal sign followed by the word proper and then an opening parenthesis. The equal sign tells Sheets you're entering a formula, and the parenthesis is where you'll specify what text to fix. With the parenthesis open, select the cell or range that contains the text you want to capitalize. For a single entry, you might click A1. If you want to transform a whole list, click and drag to highlight a range like A1, A50. You can also type the reference directly if you prefer. Using a range is great when you want the formula to return cleaned results for multiple rows at once. Once you've selected your cell or range, close the parenthesis and press Enter. If you referenced one cell, you'll see the corrected version immediately in the cell where you typed the formula. If you referenced a range, Google Sheets will return a matching set of results that line up with your selection. Make sure the destination cells where the results appear are empty so the output has room to fill. You'll notice the text is now auto-capitalized with the first letter of each word in uppercase. This is especially useful for names and titles. Keep in mind that proper also converts the rest of the letters to lowercase, so abbreviations like USA will become USA. It won't affect numbers, and punctuation is kept in place while the letters around it are adjusted. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, choose where the result will go, type E, proper. Select your cell or range, close the parentheses, and press Enter. A simple formula, a cleaner dataset, and a more professional look in just a few clicks.